Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. We are on week 12, day 2 of our study, and our topic this week is a new creature. Our scripture verse today comes from Psalm 27:8. My heart says of you, seek his face. Your face, Lord, I will seek. And our quote today comes from Thelma Wells. Every day we must renew our minds. I don't think God means do not plan. Do not look forward to days to come. I believe he means that right now is the only opportunity we have to live for him. Treat this moment right, not as if it's your last moment, because it might be. Question 3. We can't do it ourselves. We need divine assistance. The song goes, change my heart, O God, make it ever new. Change my heart, O God, may I be like you. Do you long to experience a transformation of the heart? David did. What did he pray in Psalm 51:10? And then question 4. Once the heart is clean, then everything that flows out of it will also be clean. Jesus commented on this truth himself in the Gospels. What does Matthew 12:34 and 35 say about the relationship between the heart and the tongue? Always an interesting relationship between those two. So I trust you have a great day today. I trust that you are going to stay safe and stay healthy and just enjoy the day. And I will talk to you again tomorrow. Blessings to you.